Hello, my name is Gary Parker. I'm going to teach statistics for you this quarter, and we have a bit of a new situation in that because of COVID-19, this on-campus class has to be online. So I just want to talk briefly about that. Today is March 30th, Monday, although classes were supposed to start today. Hopefully you've heard they were delayed a week. So class will officially start April 6th, which is next Monday. I will have the course up and running in a day or two. I just want to give you a quick preview of that right now. So soon you'll have available to you the Canvas course for Math 243. And things you'll find there are the textbook, syllabus, and other introductory information. And then there's going to be a bunch of blocks of material for week 1 and week 2 and week 3 and so on. Each week is set up pretty much the same way, and I'll go over more of that later. Important things now are getting a textbook. The textbook is freely available online. There's a web book that you could grab. And the web book has a table of contents, so you can jump around. You can sign in, as they're asking me to do here. If you sign in, then you can bookmark stuff and highlight stuff, and it'll remember what you've done. It's a pretty nice feature, so I recommend signing in. It's free. You have access to each chapter and each section here, and you are expected to read this book. Table of contents minimizes to give more room for the textbook. There are other options. For example, you could, come on. There we go. You could get a PDF of the text downloaded. It's similar, the same book that you'd find in the bookstore or through Amazon. Through the bookstore or Amazon, it's only $33.50 for the print book. I like the print book. I like to write in it. I like to bookmark stuff and highlight things. But again, you can do similar things to the web book. And if you don't have internet access, sometimes you can download this PDF to whatever device you like, phone, tablet, or computer. Same material as in the web book. And every week you'll be required to read that. You should definitely have a notebook for this class because you can't do math without writing stuff down. So make yourself a statistics notebook. And inside of it, you should write stuff down. In particular, it'd be nice to have a calendar of what to do when, that you add to, check stuff off, and then every week you're going to write down the math that you do. Notes from the book, notes from the videos, and so on. So as far as the math that you're going to do is concerned, mostly you're going to be working on your own, but you'll have some interaction with me and your peers in the class. Come on. So every week has a similar setup. There'll be a page that tells these are the things I hope you'll learn, a link to the vocabulary, which is usually at the end of each chapter, but I put it up front just to get there quick, keywords that you'll be reading about, a link to the relevant textbook, noting which sections we're covering each week. And we'll do about half a chapter per week on average, and we'll cover about half of the book. There'll also be videos. So what you'll do is you'll read the textbook, you'll watch some videos, and then you'll start doing some stuff. The stuff you do will be in the form of practice problems that you can repeat over and over again. Critical thinking will you write to me and the rest of the class, and we get to see each other's writing and comment on each other's answers. And then a little tougher application problem, which will usually involve a write-up and or a spreadsheet. For technology, a scientific calculator would be good. I use spreadsheets, Google Sheets most of the time, but Office 365, Excel works great. Or if you have a Mac and you use numbers for a spreadsheet, that's fine too. And then there's another website that we'll use called StatKey, which does a lot of cool stuff, and I have links to it throughout the course. And then for more communication stuff, we're going to meet regularly. So whether you are in the Monday, Wednesday class or the Tuesday, Thursday class, I'm going to do a question and answer session Monday through Thursday at 10 o'clock. And then I have a weekly schedule that you can check out for when I have other question and answer sessions. I'm not going to be lecturing during those, and I probably won't record them. They're just times for you to interact with me and your classmates and hear questions that are asked, ask your own question, and get some responses from me and your peers. you're required to attend at least one of those a week. And again, they will be Monday through Thursday at 10 a.m., and then I'll schedule them at other times. I'm assuming most of our lives have been disrupted quite a bit from what's going on with the pandemic, with COVID-19. You may have kids at home, you may have new work responsibilities, you may have lost some work responsibilities. And this is all tough. I encourage you to make a schedule for yourself. What you do each day, what you do each week. So for example, for me, every morning at 9 o'clock, I'm going to start working on statistics stuff. And at 10 o'clock, I'm going to go online and see if you all have any questions for me. And then I'll block off some other times during the day to do that. If I don't block off any times that work for you, then you can request a private meeting with me, or I'll just schedule another time that works for both of us. And I may or may not invite other people depending on your preference. Mostly I'll use Zoom. I am concerned about every college in the world using Zoom right now. So Google Meets is another online web chat, video chat tool that I might use if we have any internet lockup with Zoom. So we'll just wait and see how that goes. So that's it for now. I just wanted to say, hey, let you know I'm working on stuff, and I'll have some things available soon. I'm sending this message out on March 30th, Monday. Classes start on April 6th. Take care, stay well. This is Gary Parker. I will see you online soon. Bye.